It is almost time to order those chicks, and you better have a brooder ready. I know you're already thinking about it. What do we buy?
Chicks.
Chicks! Chicken, say chicken math.
Chicken math.
Chicken math is bad, don't do it. How is it going, guys? I'm Steven with Break Free Homestead. Today, I just quickly wanted to go over it with you because we're coming up on chick season. And that means you need a brooder, unless you got some crazy hen taking care of it for you.
And we need a crate.
And you need a crate. A crate for what?
Chickie.
You might be asking yourself, do we just do a crate for the chicks? Do we do a bin, a tub? Do we order one of those pre-made plastic brooders on Tractor Supply?
We only need a crate.
A crate, yes. We used a crate once when one of our hens hatched out like 13 or 14 chicks. So it was a little bit of a struggle. Chicks can slide through a metal dog crate if you don't have something to hold them in. So what this whole video is about, it's a solution to a brooder. It's super cheap, affordable, should last a long time. We're gonna show you here today. All you're gonna need is one 4x8 sheet of 1/8 inch underlayment plywood. And this piece of plywood is gonna be your brooder. You could probably do two. You could do a 4x8 brooder if you had a lot more chicks. I think this 4x4 brooder should be good to up to about 50 chicks if you're not leaving them in there super long. 5 chicks, okay. Up to 50 probably, depending on how long you're gonna leave them in there. You know, if you started too early, 50 ain't gonna be good. If you guys would, please consider dropping down below, hit that like button if this helped you out. And if you aren't already, I would love if you would hit that subscribe button and join us on our journey as we expand our homestead.
Bye-bye.
You gotta do it now. She said it. Wesleyan said it. All right, guys. So here's your underlayment plywood. We have 4 pieces. So they are 4x2. You can have them rip this at the store so you can transport it in your little car. And then all you have to do is you could use a handsaw or a circular saw and cut slits just over halfway up. And now I did mine on opposite, so it's gonna be a little bit harder to assemble, but you could really just do your slits both on the same side, and then each adjoining piece will be bottoms or tops. This kind of makes it a little bit difficult to build, but 2 of us will build this right now, and it only takes a couple minutes. As you can see, they just slide right in.
How do they jump in?
How do they jump in? Well, we don't want them to jump in or out.
But how do they stay warm with their feet?
How do they stay warm?
Yeah, with their feet.
We'll show you.
So this is the part where I was talking about kind of a pain in the butt if you put them on opposites. This last one, you just have to go over. Not too bad. Comes together just like that. Now that's your brooder, okay? 2 feet high is gonna be plenty of height for a chicken. For a turkey, it'll be a little bit short for a turkey. Your turkeys will be jumping out, running all over your basement, making a mess, pooping on your stairs. You need to cover it if you got some turkeys.
How do they stay warm?
How do they stay warm?
That's a good question, Wesleyan.
And that
All right,
with their
so
feet.
scrap wood right here. 1 screw on the top lets you change the angle. Okay, you're gonna come over here and you're gonna screw them on just like that.
I'm just put them on.
Okay, so now you have a board here. It sits there screwed in, all right? So you got your heat lamp that all the haters hate on, and some people burn their houses down because they don't put anything on here and they don't secure it properly. But you're gonna secure it properly unless you're using some expensive heat panel or something like that, okay? Now the reason we have a screw here is so your heat lamp doesn't fall into the brooder. You're just gonna put it on over your piece of wood, if I can do it, and ensure this will be tight once you screw it in. And that's going to ensure that your heat lamp doesn't fall into the wood chips and start your house on fire. You don't want to start your house on fire. So we've used this method multiple times, and as the heat light needs to go up, you just raise this up a little by little. You just change the screw position on there, and it gives it plenty of support, and it works awesome. Now, one other thing to consider when doing this is that you should probably put something under it. My first time, I didn't put anything under it, and it kind of messed up the floor. This concrete floor was painted, and I mispainted it too, but it left a lot of markings, okay? Use scrap wood, scrap plywood. We have some leftover vinyl flooring that we just roll up every season and roll it back out. Super easy to clean off and whatnot, and that's a good solution for us. Do something like that.
I'll get your chip.
That was cute. That was cute.
Thank you guys for watching our video today. I really appreciate your support. We would love to have you join us. Make sure you hit that subscribe, bell notifications, that way you don't miss any new videos.